What's up guys, I am going to be unboxing another thing, and I'm also going to be unboxing two more things. So I am unboxing my iPhone 14, so let's see. Alright, so let's open this. Let's cut it right here. So let's cut it. Oh. Alright, now we're going to open it. And oh my god. Alright, I'm gonna pull it out. You guys can see it. I'm not gonna. Whoa. Tell me what it looks, guys. Whoa. This is nice. iPhone 4. What does it say that? It just says iPhone. Well, iPhone 14. Oh, it comes with some foam. Alright. I'm not going to open this until the end of the video, so let's put that in the way. And I got this case for my iPhone 14. Let's unbox it. Oh, and there's like a little thing where you can touch it. It feels soft, so yeah. Called Poppy Jungle Fever. So let's open it. Yeah, you could like put a charger. Like, you could put a charger right there, or you could just plug it in. So whatever, like a circle charger, then you could just plug it in down there. Okay, so let's. Alright, here's a case. It feels nice. Alright, so putting this off to the side, as I said, everything I'm unboxing is at the end of the video. So we have the screen protector. Oh, I need scissors. Be very careful. And guys, if you could hit the subscribe button and hit the like button also. Please, I need it. Stay down here. Please subscribe, guys. I lost 200 subscribers. I'm trying to make it back to 300. Okay, I am not going to like open it, but I am going to like, you can see it's because that I don't want to break the screen protector, so alright, so just put that there. Okay, so we have the case. Okay, and now let's get the iPhone. How do you open this? Bless me. Oh my god, it's so nice. So, try to guess what color I got. No, I'm just kidding. So, I got black. And then, put this like, right here. Then it comes with this charger, and what's underneath? don't know what this is. Comment down below if you know what this is. Okay, well, let's see. Alright, let's get the phone. Gently pick it up. Take off this. The phone case. Whoa. Guys, look. Looks nice. Well, I hope you guys had a good time watching my video. Bye, guys.